Context check. This is either a SQLite database or a Windows shim database. Compatibility. If it's a database, use a SQLite viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful SDB file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. If we look at the internal properties, the SDB is flagged as a dedicated database file. It is encoded in the SQLite Database File format. And our SDB file is associated with SAP systems and Social Security databases. In the context of SAP, it likely stores configuration data, system settings, or application-specific data. When related to Social Security, it contains sensitive information about individuals, including personal details, employment history, and benefits information managed by government agencies. The internal structure of an SDB file varies depending on its origin. For SAP, it might be a proprietary database format or a standard database like SQLite. Social Security databases are highly structured and secured, often employing encryption and access controls to protect sensitive data. Data integrity and security are paramount. The reliable first choice for the SDB file type is SAP and Social Security Database System, developed by SAP and Various. Windows only supports view-only mode, necessitating dedicated editing software for changes. Windows cannot parse record sets, so proper reading depends on dedicated DB tools. Open the context menu to check file association. Right-click your SDB file and choose Open With. Try SAP and Social Security Database System first. If it's absent, select another program. Testing is the most reliable diagnostic. If the SDB file won't open, don't panic. A format as specific as SDB will always reject general methods. We must verify these key parameters on our checklist before attempting a guaranteed solution. First, use SQLite Browser. Open the file using a SQLite database browser, e.g. DB Browser for Cellulite, dbeaver, or LibreOffice Base. Next, check file permissions. Ensure the user has full read-write permissions to the file and its folder. Finally, run integrity check. Use the SQLite command pragma integrity check within the browser to check for internal database corruption. If the failure of the Open With option is a clear indicator of core incompatibility, we must bypass it with advanced analysis software. This professional approach gives us the best chance to open your SDB file. The search is over. FileMagick is the specialized universal viewer you need. It handles any SDB format, available at filemagick.com. The next video will tackle an even trickier file. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.